If I call somebody and they don't answer, and then I call them again and they don't answer, I double call everybody, which we're going to work some live internet leads, so let's see today. I might go like this. Hey Bob, this is Kyle. I'm the guy that called you a couple times. The reason I keep calling you is because I actually got the vehicle that you want. It's a little time sensitive. Do me a favor, you a favor, us a favor. Give me a call when you get this, please. I promise it's worth your time. Thank you. You shoot somebody over something like that, they're going to engage. What if it's a disappointment? Hey Bob, this is Kyle. I just want to thank you for setting the time aside again. I'm not here in the parking spot that I promised you I would be at. Do me a favor, just call me back if you're running late. Here's the spot, here's me, the outside waiting for you. The person may call back, right? What about an appointment confirmation? Hey Bob, this is Kyle. Just want to thank you for setting the time aside at 5:15 this afternoon. This is what I look like. Hope you're not disappointed. There's the parking spot, there's the dealership, here's me. I'll see you soon. Videos, videos, videos. I send videos to at least have somebody call me back. When you're walking the inventory in the morning, when you're bored, just start popping off videos. When you're walking the lot and you think there's a car the person might want, that's time to send the video. Just do it. Now, some of you guys can send it through the CRM, some of you can't. You just got to make sure that whatever process you got at the dealership, you want to stay on that process. But, don't sacrifice not sending videos because of something weird. No matter what your CRM provider is, there's a way to send a video. Worst case, you upload it, you send a link to yourself in the CRM, and then you pop it out. Not ideal, but it's important.